Here's some Tornado Alley trivia. Subscribe. Which U.S. state is nicknamed the Tornado State? Is it A, Nebraska, B, Kansas, C, Oklahoma, or D, Texas? The correct answer is B, Kansas. What is the enhanced scale for measuring tornado strength? Is it A, wind damage index, B, Torr scale, C, EF scale, or D, intensity rating? The correct answer is C, EF scale. What scale rates tornado intensity? Is it A, Mercalli intensity scale, B, Saffir-Simpson scale, C, Fujita scale, or D, Richter scale? The correct answer is C, Fujita scale. In what state did the tri-state tornado occur? Is it A, Ohio, B, Indiana, C, Missouri, or D, Illinois? The correct answer is D, Illinois. Which U.S. region is most prone to tornadoes? Is it A, Southeast, B, Northeast, C, Midwest, or D, Southwest? The correct answer is C, Midwest. What tool is used to measure tornado wind speed? Is it A, thermometer, B, anemometer, C, barometer, or D, rain gauge? The correct answer is B, anemometer. What year did the most violent tornado in U.S. history occur? Is it A, 1930, B, 1925, C, 1980, or D, 1945? The correct answer is B, 1925. What does a tornado watch indicate? Is it A, no tornado activity, B, tornado warning issued, C, conditions are favorable, or D, severe flooding expected? The correct answer is C, conditions are favorable. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.